Lucas County health leaders want to make the public aware of a rise in cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis. The virus can be particularly dangerous for young children and those with compromised immune systems. Well, Lucas County has seen 19 cases this year. This is more than double the 5-year average, but there are noticeable increases in recent weeks.
Around Ohio and especially in southeastern Michigan, they are seeing an increase in pertussis cases as well. Specifically, they're seeing them in the high school, college age more. Our cases, we're seeing them more in school age children. And that was one of the reasons why we wanted to especially just make everyone aware that this is out in the community.
Doctors recommend children younger than 7 get a series of vaccinations against whooping cough. Adults are recommended to get boosters every 10 years.